2.5 meters in the air. The bat has no chance. It's a stunning display of agility for the 1,000-kilogram croc. The water's edge is a dangerous place. Beneath the surface, a master predator lurks. This meal is too small to share, but the victorious croc is not home free yet. A bigger beast has seen her kill. Put in her place, the younger croc swims out of range. The Billabong King has stolen her prize. And then it's chow time. The croc opens a valve at the back of his throat. He keeps his head high to prevent water from flooding his lungs. As the dominant salty on this stretch of river, the Billabong King sits firmly atop the predatory food chain.